In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find speed bumps on Waze. We'll be using the Waze map interface to locate them visually, and the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. If you're new to the Waze map tools, don't worry, I'll walk you through it in a simple and clear way so you can follow along easily. First, go to Waze and open the live map. This is where you'll be able to view the map in more detail and look for road features. Make sure the map is fully loaded before moving on, because some icons and road details may take a moment to appear. Once you're on the live map, look over to the right-hand side of the screen and click on the pencil icon. This opens the editing and map feature tools, which give you access to more detailed map elements. If you don't immediately see it, take a second to scan the side panel carefully. The icon is small, but it's an important part of this process. After that, move your cursor over the map area. At this stage, you're basically inspecting the road network and preparing to identify the speed bump marker. It helps to move slowly and stay focused on the road segments, especially if the map has a lot of nearby details or overlapping features. Next, start looking for speed bumps on the map. You'll want to zoom in so you can see them properly. This is one of the most important parts of the process, because if you're too far zoomed out, smaller road features can be difficult to spot or may not display clearly at all. Use the zoom controls or your mouse wheel to get closer until the road details are easy to read. In general, the closer your view, the easier it is to confirm that you're looking at the correct feature. Once you've found the speed bump, click on it. This lets you select it directly on the map so you can view its details more clearly. If the map is crowded and you accidentally click something else, just click away and try again with a slightly closer zoom level. That's all it takes to find speed bumps on Waze. The key is opening the live map, using the pencil icon to access the right tools, hovering over the map carefully, and zooming in enough to identify the feature correctly. With a little practice, this becomes much faster and easier, especially when working in busy areas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.